If you want to focus on just one audio layer in your edit, DaVinci Resolve 20 makes that easy with the Solo button. In this video, I'll show you how to solo a single track in DaVinci Resolve 20, and I'll also show you how to solo multiple tracks when you need to compare dialogue, music, or sound effects. This is a super useful trick when your timeline starts getting crowded and you want to isolate specific audio without muting everything manually. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick DaVinci Resolve tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, look at the far left side of your timeline. This is where all of your audio tracks are listed, and you'll see labels like A1, A2, A3, and so on. These are your audio track headers, and this is where the controls you need are located. On each audio track header, you'll notice a few small buttons. One of them is M for mute, one of them is S for solo, and there is also a lock icon. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the S button. The S stands for solo, and it's designed to let you hear only the track or tracks you choose. To solo a track, simply click the S button on the audio track you want to hear. As soon as you do that, the button will turn green, and DaVinci Resolve will automatically silence the other audio tracks in your timeline. That means you can hear only the audio from that selected track, which is perfect for checking dialogue, cleaning up music levels, or reviewing a specific sound effect layer. If you want to stop soloing that track, just click the S button again, and everything will return to normal. Now here's something really helpful. You're not limited to just one solo track. If you want to hear a combination of audio layers, you can click S on multiple tracks at the same time. For example, you might solo your dialogue track and your music track together while keeping your sound effects muted. That makes it much easier to balance your mix or compare how two elements sound together without distraction. This is especially useful in larger projects where your timeline has many layers and you need to quickly isolate the exact audio you're working on. And that's really all there is to it. Soloing a single track in DaVinci Resolve 20 is fast, simple, and incredibly useful for any editor or creator working with audio. Just find the track header, click the S button, and you're instantly listening to exactly what you need. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next DaVinci Resolve tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.